Hello children, here we are going to know about Kashiba Jadhav, the forgotten hero. Yes, children, you might have heard about many sports personalities and their achievements. Kashiba Jadhav was India's first Olympic individual medalist, and we all should be proud that he belongs to our state, Maharashtra. Kashiba Jadhav was born on 15th August 1926 in a very poor family at Goleshwar village in Satara district. His family was a family that loved sport, especially wrestling. Kashiba was initiated into wrestling by his father, who was also a wrestling coach at the tender age of 5 years, and he also participated in the sports of weightlifting, gymnastics, swimming, kabaddi, hammer throw and mallakhamb. But he found his true calling in wrestling. His father would take him to nearby villages to watch wrestling bouts, and at the age of 10 he was taken into the akhada, as everyone understood that he is the best in the whole area. He began his career in wrestling in 1948 at Rajaram College, Kolhapur. He achieved success at the national level as well as the international level, and so qualified to participate in the 1948 London Olympics. At that time, there was no proper support from the government, and so Kashiba struggled to collect money to go to London. He finished a creditable 6th in the 52 kg flyweight category. Also, in the wrestling match, he found that the rules were different from our country. He had to wear boots and wrestle on a mat in an indoor stadium, whereas here he wrestled barefoot in mud-floored akhadas. He did not lose heart when he lose out on a medal. Rather, he began intense preparation for the next edition of Olympics after returning from London. Later, in 1952 Helsinki Olympics, his principal, Khardikar, sold his house and sent Kashiba to Finland for the games. Kashiba defeated wrestlers from Mexico, Canada and Germany and won the bronze medal on July 24, 1952, thereby creating history. When he returned hometown, his village people took a procession of 151 bullock carts, and with the sounds of doles, he was welcomed very grandly. Kashiba participated in wrestling bout and helped the principal to get his house back. He was awarded the Chhatrapati Puraskar in 1992-93. Such was Kashiba Jadhav's guts and glory in the history of sports. You know, why is he called the forgotten hero? Because we took a very long time to acknowledge his achievements to the world. So, we would always remember this great wrestler and world champion, Kashiba Jadhav. Thank you.